Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can remove a language from the keyboard on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, I'm going to go back to the main setting page. In the Settings app, scroll down and then tap on General. Next, tap on Keyboard. Then tap on Keyboards at the top. Now tap on Edit. Then tap on the Remove button right next to the language that you want to remove. And then tap on Delete. Then tap on Done. Now down here you can also swipe across and then tap on Delete to remove the keyboard as well. So that is another way how you can quickly delete a keyboard. And that's it. That is how you can delete an unused or unwanted keyboard on your iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.